Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you assembly content. Number 1 is recitation of Holy Quran. Number 2, Naat Maqbool sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 3, presentation. Number 4, dua of the day. Number 5, speech. Number 6, message of the day. Number 7, principal's message. Number 8, school song. Number 9, physical therapy means PT. Number 10, national anthem. You can also add more information and I hope it helps. So please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.